I'm at Balmoral Estate. Yes, the Balmoral Estate, the King's Residence here in Aberdeenshire. I've been invited here to meet forestry foreman Joe Maclugash, who's recently invested in a new Wood-Mizer LT40 sawmill to do a lot more with the timber available on the estate. And as I'm sure you can imagine, there's quite a lot here. While I've been here, we've also taken the opportunity to have a look around and learn a bit more about some of the really interesting projects that have taken place and that are currently taking place here, and see how some of that timber is going to be used in the future. There will be full coverage in an upcoming issue of Forestry Journal magazine and on our website, so don't forget to subscribe to forestryjournal.co.uk.